There was a time when backing up a physical DVD felt like a constant battle. You would insert the disc into your computer and quickly discover it was limited by region codes or scrambling systems that made copying files nearly impossible. That frustration hits when you simply want to protect a movie you already own. This is where DVD-Fab DVD Copy fits in as a steady and trustworthy option. DVD-Fab DVD Copy is a highly rated DVD copy software for easier personal backup. It can automatically detect and remove any copy protection without any hassle. So today, we are going to look at how this software smooths out the process and protects your media library. Now, when you first pull up the software, you are going to notice right away how clean everything looks. There aren't any bright, distracting colors or a bunch of random buttons cluttering up your view. It feels like a very organized workspace where everything is exactly where you'd expect it to be. Over on the left side, you have your main navigation paths. You'll see options for copy, ripper, converter, and creator. Since we are focusing on disk copying today, we're going to spend most of our time in that copy section. In the middle of the screen, there's a big plus sign that basically asks you to load your DVD source. You can just drag your files right in there or click to browse. At the bottom, you choose your destination, whether that's a blank disk or a folder on your PC. The way the layout is designed, it follows a very logical path from top to bottom. It really takes the guesswork out of the equation, which makes the whole experience feel very natural, even if you aren't a tech expert. Moving on from the layout, let's talk about the versatility here, because this software offers 6 different modes to handle whatever specific task you have in mind. You have full disk, main movie, clone or burn, merge, split, and customize. Each of these modes serves a very specific purpose for your backup needs. Having these options means you aren't stuck with a one-size-fits-all approach. So in case you are trying to fit a large disk onto a smaller one, or you want to combine 2 different movies onto a single DVD, these modes give you the flexibility to manage your library exactly how you want to. So let's get into the actual process of how you use these modes in a real-world scenario. If you want a complete one-to-one backup of your DVD, you would select the full disk mode. Once you've loaded your disk, you just click the Start button at the bottom. This is great for when you want to keep the original menus and all the special features exactly as they were. It's like creating a mirror image of the original experience. Now, if you're looking to save some time and storage space, the main movie mode is probably your best bet. When you select this, the software automatically finds the actual film and ignores the trailers and ads. You just select the movie title, choose your preferred audio tracks and subtitles, and hit Start. It's a very efficient way to get right to the content you care about. One of the most helpful things you'll notice is the friendly meta-info feature. This is really great because it automatically gathers all the background details for your movies, like the title, the cover art, and the cast information. It makes your digital library look professional and organized without you having to type in a single word. If you have a whole stack of movies to get through, you can take advantage of the batch copy feature. It saves you from having to sit at the computer and start every single disc manually. Then, if you need a perfect bit-for-bit copy without any compression at all, you would go with the clone or burn mode. This is the choice for people who want an exact digital twin of their physical disc, often saved as an ISO file on their hard drive. On the other hand, if you have a massive DVD-9 disc but only have smaller DVD-5 blank discs at home, the split mode is the solution. It allows you to take that large amount of data and spread it across 2 smaller discs without losing any image quality. You just follow the prompts to insert the second disc when the first one is finished, and the software handles the transition smoothly. Then there is the merge mode, which is really handy if you have a series of shorter films or home movies on different discs and you want to put them all on one single DVD. You just add multiple sources in the interface, arrange them in the order you want, and let the software combine them into a single project. Finally, there is the Customize mode. This is for when you want total control. You can pick and choose specific chapters, audio tracks, and titles from the disc while leaving the rest behind. You just check the boxes for what you want to keep and uncheck what you don't. That's it. In every one of these modes, the software handles the decryption in the background, so you never have to worry about the disk being locked. You just pick your mode, set your destination, and click Start. It's a very straightforward step-by-step flow that keeps things moving along quickly and keeps your library looking great with that meta info automatically tagged. When we think about why someone would actually need this, a few practical scenarios come to mind. A very common one is for parents who have a collection of kids' movies. We all know how easily discs can get scratched or broken when they're handled all the time. By using the disk copy software, you can make a backup copy for the kids to use while the original stays safe on the shelf. Another great use case is for people who travel a lot. Instead of carrying around a bulky binder of physical DVDs, you can use the software to save your movies as ISO files on a laptop or a portable drive. This lets you watch your favorite films on a plane or in a hotel room without needing a physical player. Also, for those who collect rare or out-of-print movies, making a digital backup is a way to preserve that history. If the physical disc eventually fails due to age, you still have a perfect digital copy of the film. It really provides a sense of security for anyone who has invested a lot of money into their physical media collection. In the end, DVDFab DVD Copy is a powerful yet simple tool for anyone looking to secure their media library. It handles the technical side of things, so you don't have to struggle with protection codes. If you want to keep your movie safe and accessible, we highly recommend giving it a try. Check out the description below, head over to their website to download, and start backing up your collection today. Share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.